Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Chrissy, and I'm here to do another video for you. Today we're gonna do how to get ready in a hurry. So I'm sure that you've been in plenty of situations where your friend or your boyfriend texts you and it says, I'm on my way, or I'll be there in 15 minutes, and you're like, I just got out of the shower and I don't want to look like a bum tonight. So I'm here to show you the steps that you can take to make yourself look super good, super fast. So my advice to you, first of all, would be to know what your best features are on your face and play those up and kind of conceal everything else. So for me, my best features are my eyebrows and my eyes and possibly the skin. I don't have perfect skin, but it's better than some, so I feel it's pretty good. So what I'm going to do to get started is my face, and for that I am going to take the Josie Marin Argan Enlightenment Illuminizer and mix that in with some foundation, spread it all over my face. Now, I mentioned this before that this particular product by Josie is kind of hard to blend out on its own, so I would suggest mixing it with your moisturizer, because the moisturizer is meant to blend out and be one with the skin, so it's gonna help out with this product. Next, on top of that, I have the Dr. Jart Plus Beauty Balm. And I've noticed that this color is kind of on the gray side. Next, for some concealer, is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus. And next, for my eyes, I have the e.l.f. Molten Liquid Eyeshadow, and this is the color Brushed Copper, and I'm going to put this on my lids, tap it out with my finger, and that will be my eyeshadow. I'm going to set my face with Laura Mercier all over. Just lightly dust it everywhere. Now I'm going to use bronzer and blush from my Shade and Light palettes, the middle shade on the bottom. let's use Too Faced Love Hangover, which is this nice pink shade. Isn't it funny how I try to take redness out of our face just to add it back in? I think it's pretty funny. And next I have my eyebrows, which I'm just going to use Gimme Brow by Benefit. It's their little brow mascara, just to kind of give them a little more color, fluffiness. I have Essence eyeshadow, and it's in Rosy Flamingo. It's this little pink one here, and it's really, really nice. Now I just need something on the lips, which I'm going to throw at you a couple options here. So you guys already know that Catrice Lip Foundation Pencil is the best lip liner in the whole world. So we're not going to try that one on today because it's literally featured in every one of my videos. So this is Essence Lip Liner in Satin Mauve. Bold Berry. By NARS. Ooh. And it is in the shade Claudia. Maybelline 885 Vibrant Mandarin. Is by NYX in the shade 511. Stark Naked by Urban Decay. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you picked up some tips and some new products to try out to get your makeup routine moving a little faster. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and be my friend.